Alright, what's up, cherry boys and girls? Look what we just got. It's a E30. It's gonna be our new project. We're gonna do a series on it, cleaning it up, making it look a little more mint. But I'll go ahead and give you the introduction and show you where it is. I got it Thursday, today is Saturday, so I've given it a wash and a quick clay bar, and this is where it is. So, it's the E30. So previous owner got that. It's got 20% tints on the windshield, 5 on the windows and rear. It's black. It's got the little spoiler here. It's officially Cherry Garage badged. Wow! Yep, it's black. So on the side, you know, it's a trunk. It's pretty big. For a little car, it's got a pretty big trunk. And I got a little bit of my junk in the trunk.
Oh my God, that was so funny!
So if you haven't noticed already, it's got some really cool wheels. Woo! They're pretty meaty for sure. You know, you can kind of see from this angle, maybe, how they stick out. They're pretty badass. Deep dish, I love them. So on the inside, for a car of its age, it's got a decently clean interior, you know, but standard rips in the leather. It is what it is. Cracked dash, big surprise. But overall, it's clean. It's got an aftermarket steering wheel. This is a sport seat, and we just found out it actually has a 3-point harness in it, so that's pretty cool. You can see how it goes in the back seat, like so. It's got a head unit, which is nice. It's got the 5-speed. We're gonna get a new one of these because
That is not correct.
just needs replacing. This is a forever sharp steering wheel. I like it. But yeah. So this is the E30. We'll show you the engine. The Engen. We're gonna get a new one of these for sure. Ultimately, I would like to get this resprayed. While the paint isn't horrible, it's also not great. One of my favorite things about this is the way the hood's open. Whoopsh. Uh-oh, backwards boy. Woo! You already know. So it's got a whole bunch of aftermarket things going on. No AC. This is the M20B25, which is native to this car, but not the original motor that came with the car. It's got an electric fan swap. It's got the Mishimoto radiator. It's got a short ram, little cone intake there.
Electric fan conversion.
I said that.
Oh, not bad.
A whole bunch of open space here for some other modification, maybe.
Yeah, a front battery
Or a
version. Turbo.
spinny boy.
Wait a minute.
But yeah, so this is it. It's got fancy red hoses. It's got the nice throttled cable. Cabled throttle.
Nice throttle cable right there.
Yeah. But yeah, this is our new project, my new baby. We'll go for a quick spin and we'll start it up and let you guys hear it.
It's got the camera facing the U.
Is it on? Yeah, it looks like it's on. Yeah. I'm gonna try out this 3-point harness. We'll see if I like it or not. I don't think I will. Maybe if I was truly like getting rowdy.
I hope I'm not riding it opposite way.
Yeah, I definitely need to loosen this one up more. I'm just gonna take it off. So it's a 5-speed. Which is different. It's cool. Look, another Beamer.
You scared her, dude.
It's got headers, full custom exhaust, sounds pretty good, runs pretty good. You know, still figuring things out about it, so you know, you guys will get to see all the things we do and find out about it. Odometer stopped working at 141,000 miles, which the previous owner said was in 2009. So it's had 9 years of undocumented mileage. We really don't know. Really don't know. But, yeah. It's a fun car to drive. What do you think, Wazzy?
Dude, I like it. Sounds good.
The infamous E30.
You gonna put a turbo in it?
I just might. One day.
Love the way it sounds.
Yeah, I love the sound of it. It sounds strong, you know.
Yeah, boy.
So, in conclusion, guys, welcome to the E30. It's a dream car for sure, and I'm excited to make it a cherry.